Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to hard reset the Motorola Moto G67 through settings. Before I get started, I want to talk about backing up your device. If you don't care about this, skip forward by about 6 minutes. This process deletes all personal data stored on the device, including applications, messages, contacts, photos, videos, and app data. If there's anything you want to preserve, make a copy before resetting, as it will be permanently removed and cannot be undone. There are a couple ways you can back up your device depending on your circumstances. The easiest and most straightforward method available on any Android device is Google One Backup. It's not the best option, but it's the easiest and covers most of what people find useful. Go * to back up through Google, open Settings and navigate to System, then Backup. This backs up to the Google Cloud, including photos, videos, contacts, call history, device settings, app data, SMS, and MMS messages. However, there are limitations to be aware of. Photos and videos are only backed up to 15 GB on the free tier. Anything above that gets left behind and you lose it. You can check what's backed up by going to Google Drive on a computer with the same account. The other device data has limitations too, especially with applications. The backup doesn't actually create copies of apps, it just correlates them with what exists on Google servers. Any app that came from outside the Play Store gets left behind. Even apps that originated from Play Store but are no longer available won't restore properly. A better option, if available, is using a cloning application like Moto Migrate. Moto Migrate allows you to create a copy of your data to move between Motorola devices. If you have other brands, download the transfer app for the target device, like Smart Switch for Samsung. This option gives you full control over your data without uploading to the cloud. It's not limited by cloud storage caps like 15 GB, only by the phone's actual storage capacity. Applications that no longer exist on Play Store are preserved because the process copies the actual apps directly. I recommend this method because it's more robust, gives you more control, and doesn't rely on network connections. Once your phone is backed up, go to Settings, select System, then Reset Options. At the bottom, select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This shows a list of data that will be removed, but since your device should be backed up, it's fine. Select Erase All Data. If you have a screen lock, confirm your PIN or password. The second page confirms that all personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted and cannot be undone. Select Erase All Data and the reset will begin, taking about 2 minutes. When completed, you'll see the Android setup screen. The process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.